How to use advanced feature in Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use advanced feature in Discord. Now, advanced Discord feature includes several management tools like community server features and server boosting, custom roles, setup, and member applications as well. So basically, you want to make sure to update the app to the latest version. And what you need is here, once you're logged into your Discord account, this is where the interface will take you. So you could create a different roles and assign permissions to control who can see, post, or manage specific content channels. For example, you can make an announcement channel readable by everyone, but only writable by a moderator. So these are some of the advanced features that's available on Discord. Similarly, you could also create a custom welcome experience for a new user by grouping similar channels into category and setting up a welcome screen as well. And next, you could also keep a conversation from becoming cluttered by creating a temporarily nested channel for a specific topic of discussions. And you could also use threads to focus on conversation without permanently creating a new channel. So when you go to open up your server, click the server name. And if you go and scroll down, you should be able to find this advanced option. If not, click the use section, then click the gear icon. And if you scroll down, there you could find the advanced section, advanced. So this is also going to help you out in a bit way. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.